Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on equation of motion in kinematics. The question is as follows. The instantaneous velocity of a particle moving in a straight line along the positive x direction is given by v is equal to b root x, where b is a constant of appropriate dimensions. The particle was at the origin at a time t is equal to 0. Then the velocity of the particle at a time t is equal to tau is. The options are b square tau by 4, b square tau by 2, b square tau by root 2 and b square tau. Now for the answer. It is given that the particle was at the origin at a time t is equal to 0. Therefore, at t is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 0. It is also given that v is equal to b into root x. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, we get x is equal to 0 implies v is equal to 0. Therefore, the particle was at rest at the origin. Therefore, from equations 1 and 3, we get both x is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Therefore, initial velocity of the particle is equal to 0. Therefore, the particle starts from rest at the origin. Now, acceleration of the particle is obtained by differentiating v with respect to time. Therefore, we have a is equal to dv by dt, which is equal to d by dt of b root x, which is equal to b into d by dt of root x. Now, putting d by dt is equal to d by dx into dx by dt, we get a is equal to b into d by dx of root x into dx by dt, which is equal to b into 1 by 2 root x into dx by dt. Now, putting dx by dt is equal to v, which is equal to b root x, and simplifying, we get a is equal to b square by 2, which is a constant. Therefore, we conclude that the particle is moving with uniform acceleration and it starts from rest at the origin. Now, we will use the kinematic equation of motion Vt is equal to V0 plus A into t. We have V0 is equal to 0, A is equal to b square by 2 and t is equal to tau. Therefore, equation 6 gives V tau is equal to 0 plus b square by 2 into tau, or V tau is equal to b square tau by 2, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B, which completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.